Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine for beginners. Creatine is a fantastic supplement that naturally helps your muscles generate more energy during intense workouts. It's widely recognized for its ability to boost strength, increase power, and support muscle development. The most effective and well-studied type is creatine monohydrate. Let's dive into how you can start incorporating it into your routine for optimal. To quickly fill your muscle creatine stores, a loading phase is often recommended. This involves taking a higher dose for a short period. You'll want to consume 20 grams of creatine each day, splitting it into 4 separate servings of 5 grams each. Continue this loading strategy for about 5 to 7 days. This rapid saturation gets your muscles fully ready for action and maximizes benefits quickly. Now it's time to assemble our bagel bites. First, increase your oven temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully slice each cooled mini bagel in half, creating 2 flat surfaces. On each half, spread about 1 teaspoon of your favorite pizza sauce. Then, generously sprinkle 1 tablespoon of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. You can also add finely diced pepperoni or other small toppings at this stage. For the best results, always mix your creatine powder with plenty of water or juice. This helps with solubility and absorption. It's also super important to stay well hydrated throughout the entire day when you're taking creatine, as it draws water into your muscle cells. Don't worry about cycling off. Creatine is safe and effective for continuous, long-term use. Just be consistent, and you'll likely see improvements in your performance and physique.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.